Hi there students. In this video I want to look at two informal expressions that are very close to each other. The first one is no sweat and the second one is don't sweat it. Okay, so if you say something was no sweat, you mean it wasn't difficult. It's not going to be difficult to handle. Yeah, this is a noun. Yeah, an uncountable noun. So fixing your car is going to be no sweat. So John said to me, thank you for helping him. And I said, no sweat. It wasn't a problem. Yeah, it was easy to deal with. So I like this phrase because it's a nice informal alternative for you're welcome. Yeah, so no sweat. It was easy. It wasn't a problem. Yeah, so no sweat. Is there anything else you need? Yeah, so somebody asks you to do something. Yeah, and then they say, well, it's going to be no sweat. It can be done easily. It's not going to be a problem. Yeah, it's nothing. You're welcome. It's a pleasure. No sweat. And then we come to this phrase, don't sweat it. Don't worry about it. Yeah? Don't sweat it. Everything's going to be okay. Yeah? Don't sweat it. You're going to pass your exams. So don't stress about it, because normally when people are stressed, they get all sweaty. Well, I certainly do anyway. Yeah? So don't sweat it. It's not a problem. Yeah? I'm really sorry I arrived so late. Don't sweat it. It's not a problem. Yeah, I'm really sorry I haven't paid you back earlier. Don't sweat it. It's not a problem. Yeah, and in this case you could say don't sweat as well. Yeah, or no sweat. It's not a problem. Okay, so both of these are just phrases to say relax. It's okay. Don't sweat it. It's not a problem. Yeah, I think don't sweat it. This is an exclamation. And no sweat again is another exclamation. So I'm really worried about how I'm going to pick the children up. Don't sweat it. I'll pick them up for you. I'll take care of everything. Yeah, so just don't sweat it. Don't be worried about it. Don't be nervous about it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, don't sweat it. Take it easily. Take it easy. And no sweat, to say that something is just not a problem. It's not difficult. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have any beer, but I do have some wine. No sweat. I'll have the wine. Yeah. Okay, so formality. I think both of these phrases, 2.5, 3 informality, use them in an informal conversation. I would also say that probably don't sweat it is much more American, whereas I would say that no sweat is probably more British. Yeah, no sweat, it's a phrase I use all the time. Yeah, it's not a problem. And then to sweat as the origin, to sweat is when you've been running or taking exercise or working out or something like that, and this water, this liquid appears on your head, or with me all over my body. Yeah, and that's to sweat. So it's saying there was no sweat involved. There was no exertion in it. And this is the idea of this phrase, no sweat. Yeah, so if somebody says thank you for something, you can just answer, no sweat. Yeah, not a problem. And if you see a friend is really worried about it, about something, you say, don't sweat it. It's all right. Yeah, this is going to be easy to do. It'll be no sweat. Yeah, okay. It's not problematic. It's not going to be difficult to do. Okay, so no sweat, not a problem. Yeah, and don't sweat it. Relax. Take it easy. Calm down. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, no sweat, and don't sweat it.